Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen as after breaking this particular high from 21444 dollars, we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, what was happening, that it is creating a pattern, this particular pattern, and this is being continued for a period of around Feb of 2024. This was the pattern which is being created. After that, what happened, the breakout happens at this level, and then it was in this zone. Okay, about making a new highs. After that, it came move upside, making another new high, and after that it fall, and now it is again trying to go higher because this particular pattern is again forming at this level. So chances can be high, if the price sustain this level, it can cross a level of $26. Okay, and this level is already being tested, so chances are high the price will go further upside, and from there it will go towards a level of $27.50, and after that it will cross a level of around $27.71. Okay, and once the price moving over this level, it will cross a level of 27.88, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see. Okay, but if the price started going below a level of 26.74, chances are high it will go further down, and from there it can go towards 26.11 and then a further low. Okay, but if you look at this particular trend, chances are high if the price started going below $2693, a probability of going towards a strong level at 26.63, a bounce back can come from this level. Or started falling below this level, we can see a further fall. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join. But the dollar index is continuously going higher, as I have already explained you. It has already made a high of around $1115, which is we have seen in September of 22, and chances are high that if the price keeps sustaining above this particular level, it can go towards 110.5, and once started sustaining above this level, a probability of touching a level of 111 will be there, and from there it will cross a level of $113, which is already being tested. So chances of crossing this level we can see, and then it will go towards 114, and then a further upside we can see. Okay, if you look at this particular end, probability of going further upside will be there, but once the price started falling below a level of $109, probability will be there, it can touch a level of 107.5, and from there a bounce back can come. But if it started falling below this level, it will move in this particular zone. Okay, and then a further upside movement we can see if the price of, so you have to remember, when the dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we can see the gold price will go up. Okay, in case of silver also it will go up, in case of silver also, as well as crude. Okay, now coming back on the gold price again, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain, it can go towards a next level, which we can see looking at a week chart. That is, there is a probability that once started sustaining on this level, it can go towards a level of $27-22, and once the price started going over this level, a probability of touching a level of around $27-26. Okay, now once the price sustain above $27-26, then there will be a zone breakout, because this level we have seen in November of 24. So chances are high it can cross this particular level, and from there it can go towards its next level, that is at a level of $27.51. And once the price sustain of 27.51, probability of touching 27.50, $1.8 is there, because that these levels are already being tested weak. So chances are high the price will go further upside, and yes, it can touch a level of $27.90. After this level, there is a direct and further upside towards a level of $27.90, and if the price moving above that particular level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, so you keep trailing your SL by $5, so that you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But if the price started falling below this level, we can see there will be a further downfall. Okay, so remember, see, market is uncertain, so you have to understand, whenever you start to trade, trail the SL, put the SL, and once start in profit, try to trail the SL so your profit will be saved. Okay, so let's see if the price didn't sustain, it can come again towards a level of $27.15. Okay, and once the price started falling below 27.15, a probability is that it can come down towards a level of $27.02. Okay, and suppose if the price started falling below 27.02, a further downfall we can see, and then it can go towards a level of around $26.86. Okay, and if the price moving below a level of $26.86, a further fall we can see towards a level of around $26.73. Once the price moving below a level of 26.73, a further fall we can see towards a level of around 26.65. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of around 26.63, and then to a level of $26.55. Okay, $26.57. Okay, suppose if the price falling below that particular level, we can see it can go further low, and a probability of first moving below a level of around 26.42 we can see. This 26.42 is already being tested, so chances are high the price will fall further low. Okay, after crossing a level of 26.57, it can go towards $26.51, and from there it will move below $26.41. Okay, and once the price falling below that particular level, chances are high the price will fall further down, and yes, it can go towards a level of around 26.29, and then we can see it will come down towards a level of around 26.11, and then to a level of 26.02, 26.11 to a level of $26.02, and then it will come towards a level of below a level of 2600. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see towards a level of 2690, and then to a level of 2687, and then further low. So once the price started going below 2600, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. 25 after 2600 we can see a level of 2593, and then further down. Okay, when the price started falling below 2600, I'll make another video explaining where it can go.